Hi everyone, I am Aditi Namdev. I am a business intelligence engineer at Amazon, and today I'm going to be talking about this interesting topic called machine learning as the intelligence layer for adaptive self optimizing systems. Throughout the talk, if anyone has any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me on my LinkedIn, and I will be more than happy to respond and discuss it further with you all. So, machine learning as the intelligence layer for adaptive self optimizing systems. Introduction to adaptive systems. Adaptive systems improve agility in the modern industrial operations industry. They strengthen resilience, helping systems respond to change and disruption. Industrial automation is shifting from static, rule based models to now dynamic systems. These systems are self optimizing, continuously learning, and improving over time. Machine learning is the key enabler behind this adaptability and optimization. 70% of unplanned downtime is linked to inflexible automation. The core machine learning techniques that drive this adaptability are number one, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning allows systems to learn from dynamic interactions, optimizing decisions through trial and error to improve performance in changing environments. Number two, predictive modeling. Predictive modeling utilizes historical data to forecast future trends, enabling organizations to proactively optimize processes and make informed decisions for efficiency. Number three, anomaly detection. Anomaly detection identifies irregular patterns in real time data, facilitating immediate responses to potential faults, thus maintaining system integrity and reliability. Manufacturing impact. How machine learning revolutionizes modern manufacturing processes. Number one, it optimizes manufacturing workflows using data driven insights. Number two, it increases throughput by improving process efficiency. Number three, it reduces downtime through predictive maintenance. Number four, it enables real time data analysis for faster decision making. And lastly, it improves overall performance, efficiency, and productivity. Logistics automation. These adaptive systems revolutionizing supply chain efficiency are not only reliable, but it also increases the independency of these systems. Autonomous vehicles optimize delivery routes using real time data and AI. It improves route planning, which reduces fuel consumption and delivery time. Smart load balancing ensures better utilization of vehicle capacity. Automation minimizes human errors and operational delays. Enhanced efficiency reduces disruptions across the supply chain. Energy operations. Enhancing efficiency and resilience in energy management systems. This uses predictive load management to forecast energy demand accurately. It optimizes energy distribution based on predicted usage patterns. It detects anomalies in real time across grid systems. It identifies potential faults or irregular behavior early. It reduces operational failures and unplanned outages. It improves overall efficiency and reliability of the energy operations. Self healing automation. Manual anomaly detection. Traditional systems rely on manual anomaly detection, which causes delays in identifying issues, leading to extended downtime and increased operational costs for manufacturers, severely impacting productivity. Also, real time anomaly detection. On the other hand, ML powered systems enable real time anomaly detection, which allow for immediate identification and resolution of issues. thus significantly reducing downtime and enhancing operational efficiency through autonomous corrective actions. 40% of predictive maintenance impact. The ML intelligent layer reduces unexpected equipment failures by identifying issues early on. It minimizes unplanned downtime and production disruptions. It lowers maintenance costs by avoiding reactive and emergency repairs. It also improves operational efficiency through better planning and scheduling. It extends the lifespan of machinery and equipment with timely intervention. It enhances overall reliability and asset performance. Model interpretability challenges. Explainability matters. Ensuring model explainability builds trust and compliance with stakeholders, fostering confidence in ML systems and their decisions, essential for successful adoption in critical industries. Number two, the importance of explainable pipelines. Implementing explainable ML pipelines facilitates transparency, allowing users to understand model predictions and outcomes, thus ultimately improving user experience and enabling better decision making. Complexity balance. Balancing complexity with understandability is key here. Overly complex models may hinder interpretability, while simpler models might not capture critical patterns, necessitating thoughtful decision, sorry, necessitating thoughtful design to achieve both. Hybrid AI OT integration. Separation of concerns. Clearly delineating AI and operational technology layers enhances system management, allowing independent updates and innovations without disrupting existing operational processes and maintaining stability across the organization. Data flow management. Effective data flow between AI and operational layers ensures real time responsiveness, facilitating seamless communication and enhancing the adaptability of systems to changing conditions and operational demands. Scalability benefits. This architectural pattern promotes scalability by enabling organizations to expand system capabilities incrementally, thus accommodating growth and enhancing the overall resilience of operations as technology evolves. Explainable ML pipelines. Standardized model validation. Implementing standardized validation processes ensures models are consistently tested against benchmarks, trust, and compliance across organizational stakeholders while minimizing errors and enhancing overall efficiency. Cross functional teams. Establishing cross functional teams fosters collaboration between data scientists and operational experts, ensuring that insights are actionable and aligned with business objectives, thus ultimately driving better outcomes in ML deployments. Continuous feedback. Creating a system for continuous feedback allows for real time performance assessments, enabling quick adjustments and iterative improvements to models, which thus enhance their reliability and effectiveness in dynamic environments. Designing robust ML enabled automation architecture. Number one, modularity and scalability. Prioritizing modularity allows system to adapt and evolve without complete redesign. Scalable architectures ensure operational efficiency, which can grow alongside the business's changing needs and demands. Continuous learning. Implementing continuous learning processes allows system to adapt to new data, improving decision making over time. This adaptability enhances resilience and maintains operational effectiveness in dynamic environments. Lastly, aligned KPIs. Selecting KPIs aligned with operational goals ensures that the performance of ML systems is measured effectively, driving improvements that are directly linked to business objectives and outcomes. Selecting meaningful KPIs. Throughput improvements. Enhancing throughput is vital for operational efficiency, as it measures production rates and ensures timely delivery of products, ultimately driving higher revenue and customer satisfaction. Downtime reduction. Reducing downtime directly impacts productivity by minimizing disruption, thus increasing system reliability and lowering maintenance costs, contributing to overall operational effectiveness and profitability. Energy efficiency. Focusing on energy efficiency helps organizations reduce consumption and costs while promoting sustainability, fostering a positive corporate image, and compliance with environmental regulations. These three sub items define the importance of selecting meaningful KPIs. Lastly, ML not only automates but continuously learns. Beyond static rules, un- unlike traditional automation, machine learning models adapt over time rather than relying on fixed hand coded rules. Learning from data. These machine learning models continuously improve by learning from new data, new feedback loops, and real world outcomes. Self improving accuracy. Predictions and decisions get better with the system as the system is exposed to more examples and edge cases. Adapts to change. Machine learning responds to evolving patterns, user behavior, market trends, fraud tactics without manual reprogramming. Feedback driven optimization. Human reviews, corrections, and outcomes are fed back into the model to redefine future decisions. Thank you very much. I hope this talk was helpful. Thank you very much for listening in.